Get ready. Start. Instructions were issued by this office that no leave to any official placed under suspension and or transferred should be granted until and unless the concurrence of the authority who ordered suspension or transfer was obtained beforehand. It was further desired by this office that in respect of execution of the transfer orders, the employee concerned should be relieved immediately. The officer to whom issued transfer order being advised on the same date about it, and the officer to whom the employee is to report for duly is required to see that the official concerned joins in time and to bring it to the notice of supervisory officer. If he fails to join on or before the due date, it was also inter alia laid down that the person under orders of transfer should be granted leave by the authority who issued his orders of transfer. Normally, all requests for leave after transfer orders had been issued should be rejected, and only in exceptional cases such request might be transmitted to the authority for issuing suitable orders. In spite of the leave instructions, it has come to the notice of the board that the employees proceed on leave as and when they are transferred to some other place against their wishes and submit medical certificate in support of their leave from a registered medical practitioner or Hakim, etc. As a matter of discipline, the employees under transfer should join at new stations, and if they are actually sick or are involved in the sickness of any member of their family, they should come forward with genuine difficulties after joining the new station's proceedings on leave. The time of transfer tantamounts to indiscipline. It has therefore been decided that in case where the employees under orders of transfer do not join their new places of posting on medical grounds, their applications for leave should be supported by a medical certificate from the Chief Medical Officer or Deputy Chief Medical Officer of Civil Hospital and the doctor in charge of government dispensary. In case of hospital or dispensaries at places other than district headquarters, in the case of employees stationed at Patiala, Ganguwal, Jogendra Nagar, Bathinda, Ropad and Malikpur, etc., where there is a dispensary of the board, the leave application should be supported by a medical certificate from the doctor in charge of the board's dispensary. Stop.